A leaking roof is more than just an inconvenience, it can lead to serious damage if left unchecked. From small stains to major leaks, water damage weakens your home structure and can lead to costly repairs. At Trudeau's Northwest Roofing and Construction, we specialize in fast and reliable roof leak repairs in Richland, Washington. Our experienced team quickly identifies the source of the leak and provides lasting solutions. Missing or damaged shingles? No problem. We replace them to ensure maximum protection against the elements. We use high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship to stop leaks at their source. Leaky flashing? Our team repairs and seals problem areas to prevent water intrusion. With our efficient repair services, you can protect your home and avoid costly future damage. Our roof repairs stand up to the toughest weather conditions, giving you peace of mind. We don't just patch leaks, we ensure your entire roofing system is secure and watertight. See the difference? A properly repaired roof means a safer, drier home. Don't let a leaky roof disrupt your comfort, trust the experts to fix it fast. Trudeau's Northwest Roofing and Construction, Richland's trusted name in roof leak repair. Call us today at 509-946-1285 for a free estimate. Visit www.roofingcompanyreichland.com to learn more about our services. Reliable, professional, and affordable. See why homeowners in Richland choose Trudeau's for all their roofing needs.